Main Menu Overview. The main menu gives you access to several important features. The main menu can be found at the top on the left-hand side of the editor page. There are 4 submenus to the main menu. The first submenu is the Documents menu. Here you can access the project files, import and export options, as well as set documents as deliverable. The second submenu is QA checks. Here you have access to the built-in quality assurance system from Wordbee. The third submenu is the Preview menu. The Preview menu gives you access to the source document as well as a preview of what your translation will look like when formatted. The last submenu in the main menu is View. Here you have access to your workspace layout, widgets, and your column manager. Everything you need to make the CAT editor work best for you.